Chord Basher here, thanks for checking out this brand new lesson. In this lesson we're going to look at how you play a bit of a blues introduction in the key of A major. Ideally you should know your bar chords because we're up on that 5th position, and we're going to break it down in little stages. If you're new to the channel, hit that like and subscribe button. Got loads of videos coming out very soon. There's a back catalogue of videos too. Right, let's see how we play this. So we are up on our 5th position there. So we've got our A major. We're going to start off by playing this lick. So we're going, our plectrum is plucking string number 5. So string number 5, 3rd finger is on the 7th fret of that 5th string. And then what we're doing is using that same 3rd finger to play the 4th string of that 7th fret. So we're going 5, 4. And then what we're doing here is a bit of a hammer-on from our 5th to our 6th fret on the 3rd string. So you're going to have 1st finger, 5th fret, 3rd string, and you're going to hammer on your 2nd finger to that 6th fret of the 3rd string, like this. So you're going to pluck it once. So we've got, slow it down again. The next bit we've got is this. And that is our 1st finger still on that 5th fret. It's the 2nd string this time, so we're going to pluck that 2nd string. So slow it down again. And then we're going to go. Our 3rd finger is going on that 7th fret of the 3rd string. Straight after that. So we've got. And then we're going to repeat that hammer on that we did with our 1st finger and 2nd finger. 1st finger, 5th fret, 3rd string. Hammering our 2nd finger onto the 6th fret of the 3rd string. So we've got. And again. Now, we want to add a bit of flair into it. Let's make sure that we're palm muting as we do it. And speed it up a little bit. So what we're going to do there is, once we finish that little, we're going to do a little bit of a run, pentatonic, but it's all semitones. So we've got, so I'm going 5, string number 4 on the 7th fret with my 3rd finger, string number 4 on the 5th fret, so I'm going, and then I'm rolling back from that 3rd finger on the 6th fret on the 5th string, 2nd finger on the 6th fret of the 5th string, and again 1st finger on the 5th fret of that 5th string, and then I'm moving that 1st finger back 1 to the 4th fret of the 5th string. So I'm doing. Let's play it really slow now. Oh no, let's play it really slow now. Again. If you like. All around the pentatonic scale. so there you go, that first bit. So play it very slowly, stop the video, go back over if you need to just go over it. Got any questions, put them in the question section below, the comment section below. I'll try and answer anything as I go through. So just remember, play it nice and slow, make sure you're getting those notes really nice, ringing out, there's no sort of muffling going on or anything like that. And then speed it up to the stage that you're happy to sort of get that. And again, it depends what sort of BPM you're playing your blues in. But again, you might be able to just... slow it down if you want. Add some flair, make sure that you're using your pick, and just take your time. Hope it helps.